Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Xbox Game Pass with EA Play. First, make sure you have an active Xbox Game Pass subscription and that the EA app is installed on your computer. If the EA app is not installed, download it from the official EA website and sign in with your EA account. Now open the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Sign in using the Microsoft account that has Xbox Game Pass. Inside the Xbox app, go to the Game Pass section. This is where your Game Pass games are listed. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar. Look for any game made by EA. These games usually have the EA logo. Click on the EA game you want to play. When you install the game and click Install, the EA app will open automatically. This is normal. If this is your first time launching an EA game, the EA app may ask you to sign in or authorize your account. Sign in with your EA account. You may also be asked to verify your account or approve the connection. Once you complete this step, Xbox Game Pass and EA Play will be connected automatically. You do not need to manually link them again. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.